Hello, second grade Smarties, and welcome to Fundations Unit 12, Week 1, Day 2. Today, we are going to continue reading, writing, and spelling words with those vowel teams OI and OY. But first, what do we need to start with? Some drill practice. So remember to echo me. Here we go. I bait A. Y play A. Jeep E. Eat E. Key E. Coin Oi. Boy Oi. All right, Smarties, kiss your brains. Let's move on to some short vowel sounds and closed syllable exceptions. Apple, A. Ed, E. Itch, I. Octopus, Ah. Up, Ind, find, Eind. Ild, wild, Isled. Old, cold, old. Olt, colt, olt. Ost, post, ost. Kiss your brains. And let's move on to our R-controlled vowels. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, ERIR, and you are all say fantastic job, Smarties. And let's finish up with some suffixes. Where do suffixes go? They go at the end of a base word. All right, here we go. ISH, ish. ABLE, able. IVE, IV. Fantastic job, Smarties. All right, now yesterday, we learned some new trick words. So what we are going to do is we are going to practice the trick words that we learned yesterday, and I'm going to test your knowledge on 2 trick words that we have seen before. Are you ready? All right, so the first trick word that you see on the screen is the word favorite. Remember, this is a describing word. Tuesday is not my favorite day. Friday is my favorite day. All right, so let's skywrite the word favorite. Here we go. FAVORITE. Favorite. All right, Smarties, are you ready to get some movement in? Here we go. All right, make sure that you are in a safe place, that nothing is going to fall on you, and we are going to jump as we spell the consonant, as we say a consonant, and touch the floor when we say a vowel. Are you ready? All right, I'm going to practice first, so watch me, and then we'll do it together. Here we go. FAVORITE, favorite. Are you ready to do it with me? Remember, you're spelling it as you move. Here we go. FAVORITE, favorite. What was this trick word? Favorite. All right, here's our next one. What is this trick word? Early. It is an early morning. Early. Let's skywrite it. Here we go. EARLY. 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 Are you ready to do some movement? Here we go. Remember, touch the floor for the vowels. Jump up for the consonants. Here we go. All right, look at this word. What is it starting with? Starting with two vowels. Okay, here we go. E, A, R, L, Y. Early. What is that Y acting like? A vowel. Early. And our last trick word for this week is ocean. Remember, this is a word we just have to know how to spell and read. Ocean. Let's skywrite the word ocean. Here we go. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. All right, let's get some movement. Okay, look at this word. Think about what it's starting with. Is it starting with a vowel or a consonant? Starting with a vowel. So we are going to touch the floor first. Here we go. You ready? O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Kiss your brain, smarties. You guys were spelling and moving and thinking about which were vowels and consonants. That is a growth mindset right there. All right, let's review these words and then let's test our knowledge of past trick words. Here we go. What is this trick word? Favorite, early, ocean. Kiss your brain, smarties. Oh my goodness, you all are rocking it. You guys just want to go ahead and go on to third grade? I think you're ready. All right, let's test your knowledge with some trick words we've already seen. All right, here we go. What is this first trick word that you see? Great. Remember, we thought of that movement? Great. Like Tony the Tiger. Great. Let's skywrite the word great. Here we go. G-R-E-A-T. Great. The way the word great sounds doesn't match how it's spelled, right? With trick words, there are words that we what? We just have to know. All right, let's test your knowledge on another trick word. All right. This one is very tricky. So it's okay if you get tricked. Just kidding. You guys are smarties. You can do this. All right. Here we go. Are you ready? What is this trick word? Large. Large. I had a large ice cream cone for dinner last night. Not really, but I wish I did. All right, large. Let's skywrite the word large. Here we go. L-A-R-G-E. Large. Large. Great job, smarties. All right, so if you have a magnet board that has all of your vowel teams that you need, you can go ahead and get that out. My smarties, we know what's up. We don't have all of these. So you are going to pretend that your computer is a touch screen, okay? So looking at the magnet board on Miss Mason's computer, I want you to point to the vowel teams that say oi. Find the vowel teams that say oi. All right, so the vowel teams that say oi are O-I and O-Y. Let's do the drill for that. O-I, coin, oi, O-Y, boy, oi. Great job, smarties. All right, here's what we're going to do now. Now, you can get your whiteboard for this if you want to, or we can move those with our minds. So look at the screen and we will build some words that have these vowel teams. So the first word that we are going to spell is coin. What's the word? Coin. Let's tap it. K-oi-n. Coin. What's the first letter that we hear? K. What says K? C. What says oi? O-I and O-Y. Which vowel team are we going to use for the word coin? O-I. O-I, because where do we usually see the vowel team O-Y? At the end of a base word. So we have k, oi, n. What says n? In. What's the word that we built? Coin. Great job, Smarties. Let's do a different word. Let's do the word boy. What's the word? Boy. Let's tap it. B. Oi, boy. What says b? B. What is going to say oi? O-Y. Why is O-Y going to be the vowel team we use? Because we usually see O-Y at the end of a base word. Kiss your brains or pat yourself on the back. Great job, Smarties. So let's tap this word out one more time. B. Oi, boy. Great job, Smarties. All right. What about the word boil? Boil. What's the word? Boil. Let's tap it. B. Oi, boil. What's going to say b? B. I'm going to leave the vowel team card blank. B. Oi, What says L? Which vowel team that says oi am I going to put between b and l? O-I. Why? Because O-Y goes at the end of a base word. All right, let's tap this word out one more time. B, oi, boil. Great job, Smarties. And this one's going to be tricky. So I'm going to say the base word first, and then I'm going to say it with the suffix. Here we go. Toy, toys. What are we building? Toy, toys. Okay, let's tap the base word first. T, oi, toy, t, oi, z, toys. Ooh. We said the base word and then the base word plus a suffix. Okay, so let's build the base word first. Toy. What says t? T. And the base word toy, t, oi, which vowel team am I going to use? O-Y. Okay, because O-Y goes at the end of a base word. Now, if I have more than one toy, it becomes toys. What suffix am I going to need to add to my base word? Suffix S. What is that S sounding like in toys? Sounds like a Z. All right, let's tap this word out one more time. Here we go. T, oi, toy, t, oi, z, toys. Great job, Smarty. So remember, when we are thinking about these vowel teams, any vowel team, we have to think of the word first as a base word before we add a suffix. That's why we learn about suffixes, because we add a suffix to a base word, a word that already exists. All right, Smarties, that is going to be it for today's lesson. Remember, O-I usually goes at the beginning or the middle of a word, and O-Y goes at the end. All right, keep that growth mindset. Good learners do hard things, and I will see you very soon with another lesson. Happy learning, Smarties.